that .csproj file. Do you know what's actually in it? The .csproj file is the project file for C# and .NET. It defines everything the build system needs to know: the target framework, the output type, and all the dependencies. Think of it as the blueprint for your project. Every Visual Studio solution and .NET CLI project has one. Open one and you will find it is plain XML. A property group element holds settings like target framework, set to something like net 8.0, and output type, which determines whether you are building a console app or a library. Then an item group lists your NuGet packages as package reference elements, each specifying a name and version. When you run .NET Build, MSBuild reads the csproj and executes the build. For class libraries, it produces a .dll. For applications, a .exe. MSBuild handles compilation, package restoration, and output placement, all driven by what is declared in that file. One more thing. Older .NET framework projects had massive profiles that manually listed every single source file. Modern SDK-style projects, introduced with .NET Core, are minimal. Files are discovered automatically. You can also reference other projects in your solution using a project reference element. The sproj is your project's blueprint. XML configuration that drives MSBuild to compile your app. Follow for more C# essentials. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.